Hello YouTube, I hope everyone had a good week. So the first job of the day, we're going to be draining down the cylinder, change its immersion. Customer needed it as a backup last week because his boiler went down. So just going to change this over. He said it wasn't heating the water. Luckily he's got a backup cylinder on the other side, feeds the other half of the house. So we'll just quickly change that over. So we have new immersions in. No leaks, as you can see, just rubbing my hand around it. All wired back in to the fuse spur, all nicely numbered. That's a nice job. Use this drain off, just checking that's not leaking at all, which it isn't. So I'm happy with that. So now, once you now I've done the immersion, this is what it looks like. A little bit of scale. Probably could have got away with just changing the stat, but the customer insisted changing the whole immersion. So also in the same house, the customer was complaining about water coming to downstairs. On investigation, I've seen that the silicon here is not there, so the water's leaking down to downstairs. So we'll be cutting that out and changing that over. So here we are, just drying up the area we need to reseal due to the customer using it this morning, even though they knew work needs to be done in it. There you go, here's the finished article, siliconed and smoothed over. Nice and straight edges, all the way down to the corner. So the customer can't use that for 24 hours. Here's an interesting for you. There are some cowboys amongst us. Look at this dishwasher waste, straight into an overflow adapter. Just pushed in there. Great little find. So on this job, the customer was renting this house out. They wanted the boiling water tap moved to their house, but they also said that there's a odd leak from under the sink, which I suspect is the overflows, so I can't actually get to them. So I'm just going to change all that out. The customer supplied a new tap, so let's quickly swap this all over. So here we are, taps in, all working nicely, hot and cold. Then looking underneath, tidied this up a bit, pushed it all to the back, no leaks. Another happy customer. So on this one, customer said that they want the bath taps changing that they supplied. Got here, bath panel all screwed in, finished. So got access to that. So I turned off the mains cold, started draining the cylinder and the tank in the loft. This did take about half an hour. Slowly getting there. Slowly draining. That's the hot done. So these are the taps downstairs now. Just a little bit left on the cold. Just wait for that to drain off to stop it coming back on us upstairs. Once again for this job, using my Nerad tap spanner, coming in handy with the pipe. Just fits perfectly around the pipe. These were old taps and they managed to crack the nuts quite easily on this first one anyway, but the second one was a bit more tricky. Here we have it. Try to undo the second one. Totally snapped the tap off. of the base. The nut underneath was not budging. So out come the drill. I had to drill it all out, didn't I? Bit of a nightmare, but we got there in the end. There you go, with that all drilled out. All these brass filings I'm going to have to clean up, so I'm just going to clean all these up, get them to the side. I'll try my best to clean every single one I see, but I will let the customer know that there may be some bits of metal floating around. Here we go, new bath taps on. Finally, did take a lot longer than a standard bath tap change that I would have quoted, so in total I think it took me 3 hours just to change 2 bath taps, but at least that's done. So on this one, the base of this tap was plastic and it's totally started to snap, so it's lost all its tightness. So just going to change this over. There is a TMV further in the boxing down below, so I'm just going to change this over to a normal tap using my narrow tap spanner again. Once said, like I said before, 150 quid, but use it nearly enough every day. I'm just going to change it over to this standard tap, put that in there, nice and easy. Let's get this swapped over. That's a bit swapped over, looks nice. Had to do a bit of pipe alteration underneath, but there you go, got that done. Nice little easy job for the way home. Customer said that their shower rail had fallen off, so I picked one up from the suppliers, just a basic one. Just swap this over, change the hose, but keep the old headset because that's what the customer wanted. But there you go, using the old holes. That's just a few jobs from this week. If you like this content, then like and subscribe. Be hopefully getting one out each week. If you leave a comment down below what you like and what you don't like. And I hope everyone has a good day. See you later.